In morning, sun arises, at the time an asteroid is heading to the planet Earth. That is medium in size, and crashed on an island. This is discovered by researchers, and took under control by government. Few months after, that substance analyzed by scientists and found it had an unknown matter, which have the property of increasing molecules of an object. If it is used for a living species, they will become unimaginably stronger than before. So they decided to utilize that for human development program. It is like strengthen the bones and muscle things, and it will only works for living organisms. And it provide an permanent impact. Also, it increase the body mass very much. This program is approved and transporting to the main base with legal permission. This operation also observed and informed by some secret peoples who hate these type hazardous things made by government. They transport that by flight. During the transportation, they are figured being followed by some enemy's chopper. Enemies initiate attack to break down the flight, and they strike back, but enemies launch a missile to collide the aircraft. That exploded into the small pieces. That substance is spreading over the clouds, and make artificial rainfall. Because it has a similar property that could by silver iodide. So the rainfall contains same property of that special object. Most people are affected by that rain, and it started to react. Affected people's hair and skull are getting heavier, and it results they couldn't stand. And year after, lot of people dead already whoever can't withstand the effect, some peoples are live on their hands. After a lot of struggle, humans' total body settled to get evenly strength by evolution.